It's a beautiful, chilly Sunday morning. Really enjoying the leaf change on this maple in the backyard. Beautiful large red leaves. Kind of subdued this morning. Looks like we had a little bit of rain last night. There's Miss Molly. Jamie's gonna come and help get the net on Saturday. Beautiful this morning. We did have some rain. The top of the water barrel's wet. We put these ramadas in. Started with this larger. Put it together ourselves. And then the second one added a valley between with some guttering. It's watertight under there now, which is so helpful. Wanted to give you a view of the pond this morning with the leaves, the changing colors. So wonderful. Hopefully this fall I'm going to have a pathway here. I go through there a lot. I've got some stones way up here that are very heavy that I want to bring down. Also my bird feeding station. We'll see what I can get done. I do have help. My husband's a little indisposed, but Jamie's a big help too. The fish are cold this morning, not moving a whole lot. I still do feed occasionally on the warm afternoons. There's one all by his lonesome. So beautiful. So peaceful.